Hello everyone. In this video, let's look at how to check the crawler crane. First, I'll explain the main structural parts of the crawler crane. The crawler crane consists of a boom, main hook block, assistive hook block, boom pendant, counterweight, turntable, and crawler track. There are certain safety points you need to check before using the crawler crane. To give you an idea of what to check, I'll walk you through each of the 12 checks on the safety checklist. 1. Check that the work plan is kept in the cabin or work area and ensure the ground condition where the crane is set up is good. 2. Check that the work area is established using safety facilities and ensure that a signalman is deployed. 3. Check the operation of the brake and clutch and ensure that the control device operates normally with no damage or deformation. 4. Check that the safety release device is sealed with a sticker or a locking device, and the collected keys are stored separately from the driver's seat. 5. Check that the lifting capacity of the load chart based on the crane working radius is equivalent to the lifting capacity of the indicator. 6. Check that the hook stops before reaching the top and the alarm operates normally. Check that the main and assistive over-winding prevention devices operate normally. 7. Check that the luffing limit device operates normally when the angle boom is at its maximum inclination. And check that the boom angle indicator is installed properly. 8. Operate the switch of the reverse rotation prevention device to turn on the pole installed on the lower part of the drum, and check that the reverse rotation of the drum is prevented. 9. Check that there is no damage or deformation on strand of the main hook wire rope, auxiliary hook wire rope, and boom luffing wire rope, and ensure there is no concern regarding detachment. Check that the terminal processing is in good condition. 10. Check that the hook latch is installed properly with no abnormalities, and ensure that the sheave and pulley rotate smoothly. 11. Check that the angle boom lattice is not deformed or cracked, and ensure that the counterweight is the same as the specifications and indicator. 12. Check that there are no abnormalities such as damage or deformation on the track, and check the ground condition to ensure the steel plates are reinforced and installed. As the crawler cranes are widely used for lifting work in construction sites, the risk of crane collapse and fall. Thus, you must thoroughly check the safety checklist before work. Now, I will go through the 4 absolute obligations that must be checked. First, set up the work areas and deploy a signalman. Second, restrict the access of personnel within a 5-meter radius of the boom and load during lifting work. Third, do not deactivate safety devices such as bypass key, etc., arbitrarily. Fourth, lifting without the signal of the signalman is restricted. These 4 checks are important to keep in mind when working with a crawler crane. So far, you have learned how to check a crawler crane. It is a prerequisite to perform safety checks to prevent accidents. Please conduct a thorough safety check to safeguard your precious lives. Thank you.